Yes, welcome to Bikes of Rye. Beautiful Sunday morning. Me and my two mates are off on a little ride out over to the Super Sausage. How about you come along with us? We now have an S1000R fully unlocked too. Had the bike in yesterday for its running service. All is good. Now we can properly enjoy this bike. Oh yeah. The Super Sausage is a very popular motorcycle cafe, if you was wondering what I was actually talking about when I said I'm on my way to the Super Sausage. This is what it's all about. Beautiful early morning ride out, no one on the road, lovely and quiet. It's a little bit cold, a little bit chilly still, but we are warming up gradually. Apparently 11 degrees, and we're just about to get to some of my favourite parts of a road. Oh, this is what it's all about. I haven't even opened up the bike properly yet. I don't even know what it feels like. Well, I kind of do. I might have done a little cheeky pop on the way back from the service yesterday. I'll do one now actually. Let's stick it into dynamic. Yeah, let's pop it into dynamic. Back it down into second. There's a bit of a straight coming up, I think there is. Oh my god. It's like a slingshot. It does need an exhaust system though. Thankfully I've got one to go on it from Black Widow. Got headers. Give it a little bit more soul, character. I mean, it's not lacking soul, it's just lacking, yeah, needs that little bit of fizz included, you know, that little cherry on top, those little sprinkles, a coating of icing, do you know what I mean? That's what it's lacking. Just get those Black Widow headers on the bike and it's gonna sound so good. All good? And now you know what time it is. Dynamic. Just love it. Absolutely loving life. It's just so beautiful, isn't it? So beautiful. Down some gears, that's it. Bang it over. Lean it in. Oh. My. Oh. I am wide awake. Might be early, Sunday morning and all. I feel like it's early Saturday night, mate. And I'm about to go out. Oh goodness gracious, great balls of fire. It's like somebody boots you, it's like somebody gives you a full-on kick. Let's see what happens. Second gear, right? 30 to 60. like a blink of an eye, mate. You blink, oh Christ. Say yes to the super sausage, and my oh my, it looks very busy as predictable. There's always a mass turnout here. Now we have the job of finding somewhere to actually park the bikes. I think I've seen a spot. Cool, so we've been to Super Sausage, on our way home now, and I just wanted to end the motovlog here. So I appreciate you for watching. If you liked the video, let me know with a thumbs up, and I hope to see you on another one very soon. Thanks for watching, see you later.